weathering lately.
Yeah, man, respect. Alright, so to change like our main road. And go back over the bridge. Yeah. Yeah. Like the next right after this one. Okay.
Where is he taking? He's taking me to the bush, man.
It's a good thing I saw him because I'm like, what the fuck?
He was about to take me to Zion.
Bless up,
The river itself is really nice, but there's so much trash.
Careful, please. Yeah, fuck yeah, it's cold. You can stand in there? Yeah. Take your time. I don't know. Bro, you can't test it and tell me if it's deep. You can stand. I'm coming.
Bro, I'm scared.
You scared? Saw them. Yes, people should come a river.
I just wanted to get that goat over there.
So, you're standing on a very famous train track.
Really?
The biggest crash that happened, train crash that happened in this hemisphere. Train was usually used this train track. When we get in, I'm gonna show you it. It's called a Kendall crash. So many people died.
Damn.
So many people died. The train derailed and a lot of people died. I'm talking like 400, maybe 400.
That's crazy.
I'm not sure. Can't pinpoint as far.
You're not hiking slippers, I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
My mom would be so pissed.
Watch your bike. They're probably just paranoid. They're not biting you at the moment. Yeah, maybe more like private owners want to come take over places like these if we're keeping it good, you know?
Yeah. But don't worry, we'll come to the rescue. We'll clean it up. Came back to St. Toolies to clean it up. This is what we're dealing with right now. She got the trash bags and the gloves. I liked it here last time. And I know people not really trying to swim around trash, so good thing is that it's not like everywhere, it's just in like little piles here and there. So yeah. Back here. Okay, I'm gonna start. There's like a bottle. Oh shit. There's a bottle. Right. There's a bottle over there on the rocks. Right there. I don't know if you can see it. I want to go over there and get it.
You just want to go in the water.
Yeah. But I also don't want the bottle in the water.
But also just want to go in the water.
a fish! Touch me!
Careful, babe. It's alright. Hmm?
I want to jump in this water. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, I'm so sweaty right now. But I'm almost at 3 trash bags. I got these 2. I can't put any more trash in there because these bags are gonna rip if we carry them like this. So yeah, I don't know if this looks cleaner than it was before, but I was all in those bushes. Like, got a couple of, you got 1 trash bag over there, another one over there. Can't really see it. This area is so beautiful. It's before the waterfall. See, there's like more trash there. I'm gonna grab that. There's fishes. I don't know if you can see them. They're small. Wayne.
Yes, I am. Hey.
Yeah, and over the river, right across from the parking lot, is the river.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, when you come down here, you pay him,
Yeah.
get a bag,
Yeah.
Enjoy the river
Yes, yes.
and keep it clean.
Yeah.
Yeah?
And your car is safer and you're safer.